Magic.
Hey lovely people, it's the hippie Krissy. I am coming to you with another video, and today this is a quick hippie pigtails tutorial. And here I am getting my hair together. I'm spraying the perimeter as you saw, and now I am brushing it, which brushing, by the way, stimulates hair growth. And now I'm taking my rubber bands and I am going to section off my hair so I can prepare for these pigtails. And by the way, this is hippie pigtails, so it's whatever I want it to be. So here you see me struggling a little bit, but yeah, I was trying to get the sides down because I do not like my hair too tight. I am tender-headed. Ain't no shame. It hurt. So I ain't trying to pull my edges. Yeah, so here you see me pulling down the hair at the side. That's kind of like my signature that I always do. And this is not a perfect style. This is what I like. So I'm just sharing it with you guys because, yeah, that's what I want to do. So that's what you see me here. I'm not using hair ties. I'm tying it with my hair around the base of the pigtails. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Subscribe to my channel and go ahead and smash that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post videos every Thursday. And follow me on all my social medias. That's Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. That'll be in the description below. And stay positive. Keep positive vibrations. XOXO. Mwah.